Good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to install and remove the RC4 Stribog Colt adapter. So, I have my gun here. It's range ready at the moment. I just cleared it. What we're going to do is remove the rear takedown pin so you can separate the lower and the upper. It doesn't need to be completely separated, just pivot it down. We have the RC4 adapter right here. We're going to insert it with the large tab feature closer to the trigger than to the muzzle. That's correct orientation. Press the mag release and then firmly seat the RC4 adapter in place. Make sure that it is resting flat on the lower. Pivot the lower back up. Operate the charging handle to make sure that it works. And use an empty mag to make sure that the last round bolt hold open works. This is now range ready for Colt mags. Now in order to go about removing the RC4 adapter, it's the same process of separating the upper and the lower. Move the bolt catch out of the way and put a flathead screwdriver between the lower and the large tab on the RC4 adapter. It might take a little bit of movement, but it will not take a significant amount of pressure. Pull it out. Reassemble the upper and the lower. And now you're ready to take Stribog mags again.